Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Chrome Devtools console panel. For this video I'm going to use this page extracted from one of my Bootstrap videos. If you need to learn more about Bootstrap, you can watch my videos and find the link in the description below. You can open the console from this More Actions button, More Tools, Developer Tools. The hotkey is Ctrl-Shift-I. Console log has two main uses, viewing logged messages and running JavaScript. The second tab is console. Here we have a couple of messages logged in the console. This first message is logged from one of the extensions that I use in VS Code. Let me show you that. This is VS Code, one of my most favorite code editors, and this is the extension that I'm using right now. And this message is logged by this extension. If you need to learn more about VS Code and this live server extension, you can watch my video and find the links in the description below. Let's go back to the DevTool console panel. These error messages are logged by the browser, and you can also log in the console with the help of JavaScript. If I click on this button, hello world is logged here with the help of JavaScript. Let me show you the file that this message is logged from. This is the file. Now you can also log in here manually. Let's say I'm gonna log in here with the command console.log parenthesis double quotes. I'm gonna type in here manual log. Hit enter. Manual log is logged here. Now if I refresh the page, all of these messages will go away. And if you want to keep these messages, you just need to click on this gear icon and check this preserve log option. Now let me generate a couple of logs here. Let's say hello world and console dot log. Alright, now if I hit refresh, this is the previous log and this is the fresh one. You can also filter all of these messages from this drop down menu. If you don't want to see these errors, just uncheck this option. If you don't want to see info, if you don't want to see warnings, let me set it back to default. You can clear all of these logs with this button. You can also run JavaScript in the console to interact with a page that you're inspecting. Let's say you can modify the text, element attributes, or even CSS right here from console with the help of JavaScript. Let me show you a couple of examples. Let's say if you need to change the title of this post, let's inspect it first because we will need the ID of this node, and that is P1. Let's go back to console and type in here document dot get element by ID, couple of parentheses and double quotes. The ID is P1. By the way, this is JavaScript, and if you need to learn more about JavaScript, you can watch my videos as well and find the link in the description below. Dot inner HTML in caps equals to title from console. Hit enter and the title is changed from the console with the help of JavaScript. Now if you want to change the color of this text, you can do it by document dot get element by ID dot style parenthesis double quotes with the ID here dot style dot color equals blue and hit enter. I think there is an error. Document.getElementById. Let me. Alright. This is the issue. Let me type it in again and remove this dot here and see if it works. Yes, the color of this text is changed. You can also access nodes on the console. Let's say if you need to give the reference of this node in the console, just go back to the console and type in here $0, and this will give the reference of currently selected node here in the console. Hit enter and boom. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.